In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Chatgpt app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official Chatgpt app installed and ready to use on your Android phone or tablet. First, make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into your Google account on your device. Then open the Google Play Store. You'll find the Play Store in your app drawer or on your home screen. Once it's open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Chatgpt. Take a moment to review the results carefully. You're looking for the official app listed as ChatGPT by OpenAI. This is important to avoid imitation or lookalike apps. Check that the publisher's name clearly says OpenAI before you proceed. When you've located the correct listing, tap it to open the app's page, then tap Install. The Play Store will download the files and automatically set everything up for you. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. When the installation completes, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch ChatGPT for the first time. You'll be prompted to sign in. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete sign-in securely and be sure you're comfortable with the app's terms and privacy information. Once you're in, you're all set to start chatting. Here's what you can do in the ChatGPT app. You can ask questions and get AI-powered answers right away, whether you need quick explanations, brainstorming help, or guidance on tasks. You can have voice conversations, which is great when you're on the go or prefer speaking over typing. You can generate images from your prompts, and you can upload photos to get help analyzing or describing what's in them. The app can also assist with writing and study help, from outlining essays to clarifying complex topics. One more handy perk: your chat history syncs across devices, so if you start a conversation on your phone, you can pick it up later on another device without missing a beat. A quick note before we wrap up. Make sure you installed the app published by OpenAI to stay safe and avoid fake versions. Also, the app generally requires Android 7.0 or newer. If your device is older, you may not see the install button. That's it. Open the app, sign in, and you're ready to explore everything ChatGPT offers on Android. Enjoy your new AI assistant, and thanks for watching.